What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free unlimited Seedance 2.0 video generations. So in this tutorial I'm going to guide you through how you can generate your videos using Seedance 2.0 and also show you the hack to get it unlimited. So just without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorials.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright guys, this is the website we're going to be using. I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section, so you just check it out. Now once you're here, you need to sign up or log into your accounts. Once you log in, you can see it's going to bring you to a dashboard like this. Now from here, you can see from here, this particular website, you can generate an image. So you can decide to generate an image directly from here. You can create your video. So I'm just going to go straight to the point in this particular tutorial. So now what you're going to now do, let's say you want to create, if you want to create your image video directly, you can just click it, then add your reference image. Here is where you bring in probably the image you want for the video generation. You can add it here. Once you click this, add your reference image. It's going to pin you can see it's going to add it. Then you enter your script here and click on generate. But what if you wanted to do image generation? You can also do that. Now on here, let's say I come here, I can say that I remove this. I'm on. Remember, let me start all the way. I can see I have great image. I select great image, then and you can now enter a prompt here. So let me just enter a little short prompt and show you. So you can see this is just what I added. It's just a short prompt. So now I'm going to now click on. Now from there you can select your aspect ratio. I want this. You can also select the model you want. That's the style you want to add. So you can select any style of your choice here. I'm going to just leave it as auto, let it automatically. So I will not going to choose any style. So I'm just going to click on generate. So you just wait a little. It's going to generate the image for you. So you can see it has generated my image for me. So you can open it and to preview what it has generated for you. So you can see the quality of the images are superb. They are super okay. So now what you can do, if you like anyone, you can just download it. Now let's say for example let's say this is the one I'm going to be using. You can just click here and download the image. You can see it's going to start downloading the image. Now what if I wanted to use this particular image directly to convert it to video? Now what you can just say add as reference. So once you can see it's going to add here. So now what you now do, you just remove this as now change it to video. So you see I'm using the same. So now what I'm now going to do, I'm going to enter the prompt I'll be using for it to generate the video. So I've entered my prompt. So now what I'm going to now do, you can see I'm going to select is going to be Seedance 2.0 fast. So now from here the duration is 10 seconds and the aspect ratio 16:9. So once you done that, once that is done, you're just going to click on generate, and you can see it's go ahead to tell you that yes, it's going to. One thing about this, and you can see it's using the Seedance 2.2 model. Now for this website, you can generate up to 5 videos per day. So that's why it's telling me I have 4 points left. So far I have. So it'll keep generating every day. Once you resource, you can come back to get another point. But remember, I'm going to show you how to get your videos generated unlimitedly using this particular way. So I'm going to show you the trick. Let's just wait for this video to finish generating and I'm going to go ahead to show you the trick. Now, and one thing about this website is that normally it doesn't like accept generating videos using real human faces due to the probably so whenever you're creating, ensure you are not using a real human face. If not, it's not going to. Maybe just due to policy stuff. So that's just it. Let's just wait for this video to finish generating. I think it says it's going to let us know. So let's just wait and see. So while we are still waiting, let me just quickly go ahead to show you something now. From when you come here, you just search for Google Skills. Search for Google Skills. Once you search for Google Skills, you log in, you click on the first link you're seeing there. Now, once it opens, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You click on join, then you sign in using your Google account. So now from there, it's going to bring you to interface like this. Then what you're going to just do, you can just accept all this, decide to read through it. Now on this side, you select just fill in this, then click on accept. So once you click on accept, it's going to say issue. So once you finish all the verification, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So once you're here, you're just going to click on, you can start, you can see start learning at no cost with gear. Now I'm going to just click on join. So once you click on join, it's going to, okay, let me just, so it's going to bring you to interface like this. So now once you're here, you're going to see this side here. What you need to do is just fill in all this part. Just try to fill in all this part. So once you fill all that, just click on join. So once you click on join, it's going to add it to the, so that's it. So now you've got 35 learning credits for to be used on there. So now what you also need to do, just click on start learning. Also, it will bring you to an interface like this. So what you next thing you're going to just do is to click on where we have our catalog. Just click on catalog. So once you bring your interface like this, what you need to just do, you can see just come here, just search for prompts, then just search for prompts. So now this is the one we are going to be using. This particular one is the one we are going to be using. So you just click on it and it's going to bring you here. So now once it brings you here, you're going to click on this start. Now to verify that you're a human, now once you're here, it's now going to tell you, you just click on this launch with 1 credit. So just click on that, then wait for it to start. Now once if you if you are going to see you have this student ID and the password. Now these are the things you're going to take note of. So now let me just go to back to Dola and see, I can see it has generated my video for me. So my video, I can now download the video. So now this is what now the video has downloaded. And what you're going to be doing now, I will play this video at the end of this video, so that you see how everything looks like. So now what I'm now going to do, for me to generate unlimitedly, you can see now it's telling me I have 4 days, 4 points per day. So now what for me to generate unlimitedly, what you need to do, you have to use incognito mode. So I'm going to copy the link to this particular page. I'm going to copy this, and now I'm going to go on incognito mode. Now what I'm going to now do is to now log in with my to Dola. I'm going to log in. So now I'm going to click on login. Now I'm going to log in using my Google account. So I'm going to just, now once it says login using your Google account, what you're going to now do is to log in, enter the details you got from your Google skills. Now here is it. This is the details. Now this, I'm going to copy this, then I'll go back to my community mode and paste in the address here. You get me? Then go to next. Now password, I'm going to go ahead to copy the password, which is this. I'm going to go back to the community mode and paste in the password and say next. Then I understand. Then continue. Now you can see you're back to yes, confirm age, yes, and yes. So you can see now I am back to Dola. So now once I'm here, I can start generating my videos. Let me say, for example, I'm still going to, can see right over now. I'm going to click on create. Now let me bring in the image, reference image. I'm going to bring in that image I downloaded earlier. So there's the image. Bring it in here. So now what I'm going to now do is to use the prompts. So here is it. I've entered my prompts. The image has finished uploading. Then I'm going to the same, and aspect ratio is going to be this. Now I'm going to click on generate. So per se, it will start generating. So you can see after doing that, come back here. I keep generating. It will keep generating your videos for you. Now you can see that with this method, I've been able to create a different user account to keep generating my videos. So with this, what's it? If after generating and it's still telling you that you hit limit. What you just need to do is to go back to your, let me see something now. You can see there's the details. Once it started misbehaving, telling you that you've hit limit, what you just need to do is just to come over here, you end this, you end it. So once you end it, you will start it again. That is just it. And then enter the details and you will continue with your work. So that is just how to get it unlimited if you want to keep generating your videos if want the same on that same platform without hitting the, so you just use this process and you keep generating as much videos as you can. So that's just how to go about it. So we'll just wait a little. So is this other the video we requested for you to generate, you finish generating, and I'll show you. I'll be playing both videos at the end of this tutorial. Alright guys, you can see it's done generating my video, so you can just click on this download and see it download the video for me. You can see this is a different version compared to the other one. So that's just it. Going to now, I'll be playing the whole video so that you hear it together with the sound in the it's going. I'll be playing that next once after this video. So now, guys, I want you to try this particular website out and let me know your feedback in the comment section. So that will be all for this particular video. The next video you're going to be seeing now is the one we just generated.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.